Hello and welcome to this look at a multiple choice question which requires you to recognize which functional group will react given a specific reagent or reagents, and then from that to work out the relative molecular mass of the organic product. So starting off, we've got a compound which reacts with a mixture of sodium bromide and H2SO4. So from recall, hopefully, you can spot that this reagent combination will produce bromide ions. Now these are capable of acting as a nucleophile because they have lone pairs. But they will only react with a group or atom which is the delta plus part of a polar bond. So polar bonds are susceptible to what we call nucleophilic attack. Now we've got two functional groups here. We've obviously got a carboxylic acid and we've got a primary alcohol. So first of all, let's look at the carboxylic acid. So the carbon-carbon bond between COOH and the main carbon skeleton is not polar. So what you need to do is to actually break this bond here where I've put the highlighter. Not one of these ones here because they're obviously polar. But for the whole COOH to come off, it's this bond that we would need breaking. That bond is not polar because those are both carbon atoms. So therefore it's not susceptible to nucleophilic attack. However, if you look at the OH in the primary alcohol, the carbon-oxygen bond is polar. So to remove that whole group, the whole OH group, you would be able to do this using an incoming nucleophile. So that means that the bromide ion will substitute at that part of the molecule. So that gives us a new compound, CH2BrCOOH. This is our organic product. So now we have to work out what the relative molecular mass of this is. So counting up the numbers from each of the atoms, you can obviously find these values from your periodic table. It leads you to 138.9 grams per mole, which is obviously answer A. Okay, hopefully this has been a useful look at quite an applied question, taking into account two aspects of chemistry that are taught in separate places in the course. So as always, thanks for listening. Until next time, see you soon.